To do this, we have 12s. Okay, we'll do this first. And we put this right here, which is 12s cubed minus 11s squared. And we put, just to take care of the x, we're definitely going to be 0x, okay? And minus 25, okay? All right, so divide this by 3x minus 5. All right, good. So to divide, first use this 3x divided by 12s cubed. That will be 4x squared. And 4x squared times 3x, that will be 12x cubed. And 4x squared times minus 5, that will be 20x squared. All right, so now we're going to subtract. And if you work out 12 minus 12x cubed minus 12x cubed, that's 0. And minus 11 squared minus 20x, that will be 9x squared. Next, you bring this plus 4x. And of course, you try this one. How many times can 3x divide into 9x squared? I think this can be just 3x. So I put here plus 3x. And 3x times 3x, that's 9x squared. And 3x times minus 5, that will be minus 15x. And now I put the line here. And I'm going to try to subtract again. 9x squared minus 9x squared is 0. So I don't need to write that. And 0x minus 15x. And that's going to be 15x. And then, of course, you bring this minus 25 down. And again, I'll use 3x into 15x. And that will be 5 times. Yeah, 5 plus 5. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 3x. That's 15x. And 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. And again, if I try to subtract, 15x minus 15x is 0. And minus 25 minus 25, that is equal to 0. So when you do your answer will be 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay, thank you.